This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello and welcome back to channel Tech Models. So in this video, I'll teach you how you can get the free premium domain for your website. And if you want to host and if you want to get the hosting, then I have already made a number of video regarding hosting on my channel. Please go through this channel, and in this video also I'll teach you how you can get the free domain and hosting so that you can create the website and you can start your blogging career, and you can earn the digital currency by using the AdSense approval. Okay, so if you are not getting the AdSense approval or you are getting the time and again rejection on your AdSense, then you can contact on Tilover2054 in the Instagram so that I can assist for you. You can find the link in the description below so that I can help for you. Okay, besides this, there are a lot of video that is very much important, or besides this, I have made a number of video regarding the free traffic on your website and the AdSense approval method on my channel. So please go through this. And without wasting time, let's go for the today's topic to get the free premium domain for your website. Okay, so we'll not waste our time. Let's go for the today's topic. So for that, we'll just go for the new tab of your browser. But before that, this is my website tiloverofficial.com. You can get a lot of knowledge regarding tech and technology. So please subscribe to the channel also and the website too. And if you got any problem regarding the monetization and AdSense problem or any topic of my video, you can contact on Tilover2054 in the Instagram. Okay. So let's begin for the today's topic. So for that, we'll just go for the new tab of our browser, and in this new tab we'll just type for the .au free domain. Okay, so please go for the enter, then you will find a bentribe.com.au. okay, so you have to just click on the first link that you can see in the screen, and this is the link that I'll just keep in the description of this below, or you can just see the manual link in the screen. Okay, so please go for this respective website. As you just click on the respective website, then you will find this type of interface by which you can get the free .au domain or .store domain from this website. Okay, I'll just show you the live proof of getting this domain in this website too. As you just scroll down, then they are just making a giveaway for 5,000 people. As you can see that 3,809 people has already been selected for this .au domain, and we are on the around 1,200 people. Okay, so we'll just select for our domain name and we'll just grab the offer from this website. Okay, so please just scroll down, and there is the option for searching your perfect domain for your career. Okay, still if you just scroll down, then you will find the .au domain for free, then you will find a .com.au domain, .net.au domain, .id.au domain. Then if you just scroll down, org.au and .asn.au, these 6 domain are totally free in this website, and I'll just show you how you can grab this all the domain from here. Okay, and there is the search bar where you can type for your domain name. Okay, so here we'll just type for your domain name. Here I'll just give the domain name as a techmonos.au. Then we'll just go for the search. So let's go for the search. Once you just click on this, then you will find a domain name result over here. Okay, and you can perfectly see that the domain name is totally free on the screen. Okay, if you just scroll down, then you can find a lot of domain name that is available on this website, but it is not free one, but this domain are paid one. While if you just scroll down, there is another domain name techmonos.com.au, which is also completely free. Okay, so you can register any of this domain, but this domain look very much premium, so I'll just click for this register. Now as you just click on this register option, you can find $9.95. so don't worry, in this video I'll just make this $9.95 for $0.00, but you have to stay with me and follow my guidelines. Okay, so here we'll just go for the continue. After that, you will find this type of interface where they will just ask for the identification or the tax number or ABN number for the eligibility of this domain for you. Okay, so for this you have to just go for this eligibility type, and if you just scroll down, there is option for the citizen, resident, or if you have any friend that is associated with the Australia, then you will find charity, trademark, or ABN number by which you can directly get this domain on your account. But if you do not have, you can just select for a citizen or resident over here. So please click on this option. Then you can just see over here, there is one plan that is starter web hosting plan. So we are not going to choose this because it is $7.00 per month. So we'll just skip this item and go for the continue again. Now you can see the proceed to basket option, but still your amount is 9.95. But you can find another free tool that is build a free website. So this is the AI website builder tool. So scroll down and go for the proceed to cart. If you just click over this, then you will be redirected to the next page where you can see that your amount is totally $0.00. Okay, so here there is no any extra charge. I'll just show you over here. You can look for the extra charge over here. It is $0.00. If you just reload this page also, it is still the same, and you are just getting this domain that is. But in this option you can just find your perfect domain name. If you just scroll down, this is your website builder, that is AI website builder, which is also free. But there is another one domain is added, which is techmonos.store. Okay, now you are just going to get this techmonos.store domain also, that is free. And you can just see that you can get this domain for 1 year, and you can just get this domain for 1 year, that is completely free. Okay, so you can just look for the payment also, it is $0.00. And if you just scroll down, there is 2 coupon that is added over here. That is, one is free.au, form.au domain, and next coupon is store.au, which is for .store. Okay, so here we'll just remove this .store because we do not want this. If you want, then please go for it. Finally, after doing all this, please scroll down and go for this proceed to secure checkout. Then please click on this link. So you have to create an account in this option. So if you have account, you can continue, but I know you do not have the account over here. So please click on the create an account. Now you have to just provide your email address, first name, last name, and the phone number should be Australia. So for that, we'll just use the temporary SMS number over here. Okay, now please fill up this detail as according to you, and do not provide any misleading information over here. Okay, so here you can just go for the website FAKXYZ over here, and the first website is over here. Please click on this. Then you can just click for the random address over here, and you can provide this address on this website. Okay, now please click on this Australia one. Then you will find this information of address. Okay, so for this we'll just provide the first name and last name from here. Please copy this. We'll just paste over here. So here I have already provided the email address, first name, last name, and the password. So for this phone number, we'll just go for the new tab, and here we'll just type for the SMS, temporary SMS number for Australia. Then you will find this quack.io. So please go for this respective website, and you will find the temporary number from Australia. So you'll just copy this number of Australia. Then you will just paste this number on this option. So here we'll just go for this website and paste this phone number. As soon as you just paste over here, please scroll down and go for the sign up. Then your account will be successfully created, but before that you need to provide some billing detail over here. Okay, now you can select for your address over here. So please click on this address, and your address is set over here. Okay, once you just do this, please scroll down and go for the complete order, and the last process is complete, by which you can get your free.au domain from this website. Okay, now they are reviewing our document, but we are not redirected to the dashboard of this website. So for that, we have to just go for the mail of our website. So please go for this mail. So in this mail, we can find the invoice from this Pentrol Australia, that is for your domain name. So here is the domain name price, you can see in the screen, and this is the domain name, and this is the service that we have got from this website. Okay, so you can just see that you have to just scroll up and go for the back, and here is another method that they are making our information under the manual review. Okay, and they will look for our domain name, and if our all the information is genuine, or if they find that our document is clear, then they will provide you the free .au domain or other domain that you have selected, including the .store domain, so that you can create any website from using this domain. Okay, so in this way you can get the free domain over here. So your order is on your manual review. It may take up to 24 to 48 hours to complete this process. So wait for until you get the free domain, and if you got any problem, any confusion regarding this, please contact on Tilabar2054 in the Instagram, so that I can help for you, and I'll be again back with you bringing more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Tilabar official channel, like, share and subscribe will value for your support. This is how you can get the free domain and hosting. So this is how you can get the free domain, and if you need the video regarding free hosting, then you can find one in my channel. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel to get our latest update. I'll be again back with you bringing more content for you or topic for you. This much for today. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tech Monos and get our latest update. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.